Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raka Permana. I'm from Information System with student ID 2025-32005. And right now I want to show you my practicum report of 3. So let's head up to the code. Okay, first one, I want to define every variable I have like data, left and right, and I want to empty this variable with this code like node. I want to have a value because I want to input the value inside the node, and defining the data is equal value, and left is null or we have nothing, and right. Next one is I want to create some new binary tree with a create tree, and we have a value because we want to input the uh, value in this binary, and we're gonna return it if this uh this is true. So yeah, we're gonna create the tree and return with a new node with a value. And we have the second one is we gotta check this root or this tree is empty or not. We have some empty tree with ball because we want to have some false and true. If true, we have some root in here, the new variable root. It will return if the root is still null or it's still 0. We don't have any tree here. Okay. The third one is insert a new node. Insert the new node. So we have the insert tree in here, and I have a three condition in here. If this root empty will show just like this one, it will make some new root. And the second one, if the value is less than a root, it will go to the left. So if this root is this root, the value is less than this root, it will go left because left is equal left is the left is equal. Why did they go left? Because the root, if a value um less than the root, it will go left. And if the value is um more than a root, it will go right. And that's the three of condition in a new insert a tree. And this is we're gonna delete the node. I'll have some many condition in here. First one is if the tree is empty, will return to the root, and if a value is less than a root, it will go left and delete that root. And if else its a value is more than root, it will go right into delete it. And else again, we use root if the root is on the left and null, and the root is right is null too. It will delete the root and return it into the null. And this is the next one is if the root in the left is null, we have some new variable in here. It's a temp or a name it temporary. A root will go to the right and it will delete it. Okay, and else if root to the right and it's null, and the temp we have a temporary again, and root will go left, and root will we have to delete the root, but we return it to a temporary. And this one is same too, but if this we want to check the root if null or not, but if not null or they have a data, it will the temp it will go left, or it will delete it. Same here in here, and it will return it. And this is the display of the note in the note. We have some info in here. We just wanna, you know, new have a new variable in here, and if a nude it's not a null, we're gonna output the data we have, and else null is node is null, it will go the output, it will empty node. And this is the traversal. We have a pre-order, which is from a root and left and right, and this is the in order is with it means left, root, and right, and this is the post order, left, right, and root. And this is the menu we have. We have a create, insert, delete, and the display and the traversal, and we're checking up into the empty root, and it's quit in here. That's it. And this is the case, switch case. We use switch case because we want to have some menu in here, and we gotta have some do and while because we want to input that again and again. So yeah, that's it for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.